Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the letter to complete the Dead Man's Treasure quest in Fish It Game on Roblox Pirate Cove update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to go to the Pirate Treasure room and then you need to talk to this NPC to start the quest. And this is the quest guys, so let me show you. Okay, the Dead Man's Treasure quest, and as you can see that we need to find 4 letters hidden in the Pirate Cove chest. And if you want to find the letters, you need to find the Pirate Cove chest first, and then you can search the chest on the Pirate Cove island. And then I'm going to go to the Pirate Cove island. Wait. Okay guys, I'm already on the Pirate Cove Island, and then I'm going to show you where you can find the chest. Basically, the chest will spawn everywhere on the island, and it's very random, and it will be different from one server to another server. And in the server guys, I can find the chest right here. Okay, but I didn't get the letters. Sometimes we will get like doubloons and also the potion. Something hidden in the chest will be random, so you can't immediately find the letters. You need to find the chest as many as you can because we can't immediately get the letters. Okay guys, and that's how you can find the letters to complete the Dead Man's Treasure quest in Fish It. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!